a world-renowned Jewish restaurant called Katz Deli, and it's been around since 1888. Drea's doing this for me. The food is what is exciting about New York for me.
Yeah.
So change of plan, we're gonna go to the World Trade Center first.
Yes.
Drea has to wait for me because I love everything.
So this is One World Trade Center. So 9/11 happened when we were in high school. We're trying to figure it out. I know for sure I was a sophomore, so Alan must have been a junior.
Yeah, I guess so. I remember the exact place I was. It was like in a homeroom, and my history teacher said, "This is history in the making."
I was still at home when it happened, and then we went to school like usual. It wasn't until I think the second plane hit that it was kind of more the realization like what was happening.
So we're gonna go visit the memorial. This kind of feels very sobering.
Yeah, it's a little heavy here.
Yeah.
It's already been 21, it'll be 21 years next month. I think it just makes you value life and just makes you take a moment to stop and think about all those that gave their lives that day, the first responders, and really thankful. Anyone out there, I don't know if any of our subscribers are first responders, but thank you so much. I mean, it's like all we can say is just thank you for what you do day in and day out.
Right.
How you sacrifice and put others before you. It's like that's like Jesus, you know.
Right.
It's greater love of no man than to lay down his life for his brother.
Right.
Yeah. Wow.
It's like we saw all the names of everybody that was lost or their lives taken away.
Yeah.
Really. But we only got a short time, so we're gonna
Keep it
push
moving.
on. We're gonna keep it moving.
Close the door.
Yeah. A couple blocks away. I'm really excited to be at this deli. 1888. It's wild.
Hi guys, how are you?
Thank you so much.
Hello. Sandwich lines are all in the middle. All sandwich lines in the middle.
But we're gonna get a classic pastrami sandwich.
On right.
On rye. Swiss cheese? Yes.
I got as it tastes.
It's amazing. How is it? It's amazing. Okay. Alright. So that is the Flatiron Building. It's been fun running around New York City with Baby Drea.
Yeah.
It's my best friend. Thanks
This
for
is
following us.
our first like fun getaway trip since we got married.
Right.
Almost 2 years.
We've heard that you're supposed to go to a rooftop, like bar area, just to check things out. Pro tip from a New Yorker. Going to the Empire State Building. Central Park, here we come. Get a coffee, get rejuvenated. My knee's working better. Thanks for praying, guys. It's really nice to go upstairs.
Nice place is all the way up there.
So we made it. There's tons of people. I wish we could see it in the fall. That would be beautiful.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
It's just taking something. So on the subway, Baby Dre, what happened?
There's just a guy sitting next to me on the subway, and right when we were getting off, he like breathes out of his nose, but moisture definitely came out of his orifices.
Moisture.
It was like, and it hit my arm,
Splattered.
and it felt wet and gross. But thankfully I had hand sanitizer, so as soon as we got off, just spritzed my whole arm up, did my hands, shook my head.
That's Drea's New York story. Becoming proficient train riders.
I think so. It's been fun figuring it out.
So we're gonna go to Brooklyn and we're gonna get some pizza with Jay. What?
Yes, and tea.
And tea. Tanasha.
Okay, that was like an hour of waiting. Woo!
Yeah, like a train broke down. Onward to pizza. Now we're in Brooklyn. Yeah, we're going to Grimaldi's Pizza.
Which I've been there many times in San Antonio, but I don't think I've ever been to the first one. I guess this is the first one, maybe. I know they started in New York.
Finishing up the day, we're back at Staten Island Ferry. We're in there. We're just gonna end the vlog out. That's Tanasha, everybody.
Yay! Our friends! We had so much fun in the city. It's the best. If you've never been, you've got to come.
Anything you guys want to say? Words of knowledge. Passion.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. These folks are dreaming, and they're in this concrete jungle where dreams are made of. And so I bless your dreams as you go and make them happen. Okay?
I like that.
Right. Thanks, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Live your life to the fullest.